How did MrBeast become the biggest YouTuber in the world? Was it luck, money, or did he discover a secret that anyone can use? In this video, I'll reveal the real strategies MrBeast used to grow from a regular creator into one of the biggest names on YouTube. If you want to grow your own channel, watch until the end because the last lesson is the most important. 1. MrBeast started small. Many people think MrBeast became famous overnight. That's not true. He started YouTube as a teenager and uploaded hundreds of videos that barely got any views. Instead of quitting, he kept learning and improving. Lesson: don't give up just because your first videos don't perform well. 2. He studied YouTube every day. MrBeast spent thousands of hours studying YouTube. He learned why people click on videos, why they stop watching, and what makes a video go viral. He treated YouTube like a full-time job before he became famous. Lesson: if you want to grow, spend time learning YouTube, not just uploading. 3. He made better thumbnails and titles. One of MrBeast's biggest strengths is his thumbnails and titles. They create curiosity without misleading viewers. People click because they want to know what happens. Remember, if nobody clicks, nobody watches. 4. He focused on viewer retention. MrBeast believes the first few seconds are the most important. He removes boring introductions and gets straight to the action. Every second of the video is designed to keep viewers interested. The longer people watch, the more YouTube recommends the video. 5. He was consistente. MrBeast didn't stop after one failed video. He uploaded again and again. Every video became slightly better than the previous one. Success came because he stayed consistent for years. 6. He reinvested everything. When MrBeast started making money, he didn't spend it on luxury. He invested most of it back into making better videos. Better videos attracted more viewers. More viewers created even bigger opportunities. 7. The biggest secret. The biggest secret isn't a hack. It's simple. Every new video should be better than your last one. Improve your editing. Improve your storytelling. Improve your thumbnails. Keep learning. If you learned something from this video, subscribe because I'll teach you more YouTube growth strategies. Remember this?